Hello everyone, my name is Rocky and thanks for joining my channel. And like the title suggests, we are trying to figure this out once and for all. Is Temu trash? I have an opinion, but I've gotten a lot of feedback that that opinion might not have been right. So I'm gonna give it one last try and we'll just end it to be ended forever. All right, so I did shop Temu and I have about like 8 things that came in this one package. And what I will say is maybe they kind of combat polluting the earth with less packaging, because 8 things, I think 8 things fit in this one little package here. But if the things that you order are trash, that's kind of a moot point. But before I get into the Temu package, I want to show you one thing, because I don't know when else I'm going to be able to show this to you. And that is a pair of sneakers. It never ends. I started a sneaker journey where I've been trying to like get really nice sneakers, and plus I don't wear heels and stuff anymore. I'm only wearing sneakers, loafers, sandals, Oxfords, things like that, things that are flat and things that are comfortable. So I wear the hell out of my sneakers, and so I just purchased a new pair. I was holding off trying not to buy this, but it just called me, and I got this from ssense.com. It's a pair of Air Max Plus, and this one is in my favorite color. If you've heard me talk about my favorite color before, it's kind of a little confusing. Most times I say my favorite color is blue, because that is like the one singular color that is my favorite color. But in fact, my favorite color is rainbow. And that's all of the colors, but it has to appear in like a rainbow form. And these Air Max like were begging me to buy them, and I got them at a really nice price from ssense.com. If you're in the market for anything that's designer, luxury, high-end, Essence is your place. They have really good deals right now. They have up to 70% off markdowns on stuff, and I got these sneakers down in that sale, and it got down to like the very last pair, I don't know if that was true, that was available in my size, so I snapped it up. But again, I got a decent price for them, and I'm super excited. And my toxic trait is the fact that I need to show you things before I wear them, so they're not gross and nasty before I show you on camera. So I wanted to unbox it with you before I wore it, and it's all brand new and clean. The other thing I want to call out, look at this, it has the rainbow on the bottom. But let's move on to Temu. All right, I am literally unboxing this with you because I want it to be just as surprised as you are when we open this package. And again, this little ass package has like 8 things in it, so that already lets me know that maybe the quality of the things in here aren't super substantial if they can fit in a package that's so small. But that's just me, that's my opinion. I am okay to opine. I got a few, let's see, what did I get? I got several t-shirts, oh yeah, already. Okay, all right, I'm seeing what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Indeed, I got 8 pieces. All right, so I'm gonna start with the thing that actually made me decide to give them a second chance, and it's this tank top. It's not exactly something that I want, the exact thing that I wanted, but I did see an influencer with a tank top like this, where it has like overall accessories here on the straps. I wanted it in black. I couldn't quite find it. I couldn't find it in women's, so this is a men's small in this stripe, and I thought, you know, close enough, whatever, but it has the hardware. So whenever you get tank tops like this that are that ribbed knit kind of tank top, you expect it to be cotton, right? And I've noticed before that I've done the thing of like looking with my eye to decide if something is good enough to buy, and if it looks like it, then it must be it. It looked cotton on the picture, and this is not cotton. It must be polyester, but it feels like swimsuit material. You know that material? What is that made of? Nylon? What is this? 95% polyester and 5% spandex. This looks cotton on the picture, but it feels like a bathing suit. So let's move on. Okay, I'm gonna put on the screen every time I say trash or not trash, and this, my friends, is trash. So as I was looking, the next thing I picked up was, this is actually a dupe for, they are very famous for this one piece because Princess Diana wore it, and that was their claim, Roaring Blazers. Roaring Blazers is the name of the brand. And they have this sweater that's like, it has a black sheep on it. It's like all red and white and cream, and one black sheep. And on the picture, it looks like a nice, fluffy, beautiful, plush sweater, just like the one that Rowing Blazer sells. However, this thing is paper thin. You can see that. A sweater, I've never seen a sweater this thin in my life. So it's paper thin. I don't know what this is made of. It's not scratchy, but it feels like slippery. It feels very slippery. I got this in the smallest size available. It still seems to be a bit oversized. I think it's one of those pieces that looks good from far, but it's far from good. So far away, somebody would be like, oh, that's really cute. And you got that, that Rowing Blazer sweater, but up close, as soon as they got up to you, maybe within about 5 or 6 feet of you, they would be able to tell that it's trash. So this one is a size small, 60% polyester, 40% spandex, and this thing is paper thin. Pro, I guess you could wear it longer. You could wear it, throughout the year and not like overheat, and then in the winter you can wear it as a layering piece, but again, trash. So then I also got, like, to just round out my package, I got some accessories and things for the house. I'm going to go through that before I go through these other things, but I picked up a cap, and I figured, how could you mess up a cap, right? Yeah, so that's what I thought. And so let me open it up. My eye tells me that it's trash, but we'll know for certain. You know what? I mean, for the price, I think this might have been like $3. This says shit show supervisor. I think, I want it to be cute and cheeky. I have a show that's coming up soon, and as we're preparing, I figured I'd wear this before I get dressed, and I thought that was kind of cute and cheeky. The material, as it appeared on the screen when I was looking at it, looked like it was a denim material. Here to my eye, even in person, it looks denim, but when you feel it, it's somewhat of a denim, but it's like a cheap denim. I don't even know like how to describe what this is made of, but I figured, how could you, and this, oh my gosh, it's super shallow. I don't know how you're supposed to wear it. So the dimensions of the hat is pretty off. It's pretty like shallow here at the top, so the top part of the crown of your head really can't fit in here. I think we can put this in the trash bucket, right? Trash. The next thing I purchased was for my air fryer, and these are like little liners or trays for your air fryer. It makes like a little, supposed to make like a little square bowl shape with it, and they flattened it out so much to ship it here. I'm not even sure it'll make that shape. I guess once you put it into the air fryer, maybe take the shape of the pan, of the little pan that's in there. I'm taking a big risk by going to Temu to get this, because this could catch fire. I'm pretty sure if it's not the right thing, I'm pretty sure it could catch fire, but you get what I'm saying. It's like a little tray that you put in your air fryer, in that little tray that comes out, and this keeps the inside clean and allows the air to get through, all the things. I'll have to get back to you on whether or not this is trash or not, but if everything else I've gotten is any indication, it's most likely going to be, but how could you mess this up? I don't know. So the next items I got are all clothing and all t-shirts. You guys know I love graphic and message tees, and so the bulk of the rest of this is just that. And oh shoot, I thought this was a t-shirt, but it's a tank top, and it says fun fact, I don't care. I thought that was really cute and cheeky. This actually feels nice. Let's see what the material is. It feels really soft. Oh, 95% polyester, 5% elastane, but it actually does feel soft. Even though the material itself is not sustainable, I am going to put this in the not trash pile. Yes, I'm giving Temu a point for not trash. Let's move on. The next piece is a t-shirt. My eye is telling me it's trash, but we'll see. Is it a t-shirt? Oh no, it's another tank top. I thought I got t-shirts. This is another tank top, and it says fluent in foul language. And if any of you know me in real life, you know that my philosophy is that curse words are the hot sauce of the English language, and I use curse words abundantly. And so anyway, so I thought this was really cute, something I could probably work out in. This is similar to that one in the sense that the material feels flowy, it's soft. It says that it is 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex. So for all intents and purposes, you know, the messaging, the design, what I plan to use it for, how it feels, I'm gonna put it in the not trash. The next one is also a t-shirt, and it is also a graphic or message, of course, t-shirt. And I thought this was cute. It's a play on the salt shaker. What is the name of the salt? You all know. Anyway, it says don't be salty. I thought that was cute. Guess I'll use this to work out as well. Got this in a size small. This one feels a lot like the first one we had. The first tank top is a bit thicker, less flowy. And this one is 95% polyester and 5% elastane, just like that first one. And because of how cute it is, the way it feels, again, not sustainable materials and stuff like that, not good for the earth, but I'm gonna put it in the not trash pile. And then the last thing I got was a t-shirt. And was it a t-shirt? Another tank top. None of these are t-shirts. What the heck? It says bad, yes, and that's a picture of a donkey, which the nickname for that is ass, so badass. I think this one is very much like the yellow one. I just picked a more flowy and stuff like that. Love the messaging, love the picture. It seems good enough for what I plan to use it for. And let's see, I believe if we had to guess, it's what is it, polyester, rayon, and elastane. Let's see, or spandex. It is 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex. So yeah, again, because I put the yellow one over there, didn't think that was trash, don't think this one is trash either. All right, so what's the final verdict? Is Temu trash? I think it's 50-50, y'all. I, for certain, feel like I will never shop there. It's not necessarily for me. I don't feel excited or happy about any of the things that I got. I don't feel like the quality is there, or I would want to like tout that I got it from Temu. Like, nothing about this makes me feel good. But I noticed, you know, with the quality and depending on what you need it for and what you're using it for, it can go either way, 50-50. You just got to be very, very careful about reading the description, because they'll tell you what it's made of and all the good things, and you can decide there if that's what you want. But me, like, using my senses more so than anything to shop is probably a bad habit, but that's what I did, and I was disappointed with some of the things that I got. So if I were a bit more careful, I think maybe the things I got would have been better. But I think it's 50-50. Even with this exercise here, half the things were decent and half the things were not. So it's like you kind of like gotta take your chances. If you feel risky and if you feel like the amount that you're paying is low enough where if it turns out bad, you're not going to be upset, take the risk, take the chance. I've just decided for myself that Temu is not for me. But you decide. Leave your comments down below. Have you ever shopped at Temu? If so, what was your experience? Would you go again? Would you recommend it? All the things. Put it down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you made it this far, I think you kind of like this content. So share it with your friends. They'll like it too. Give me a thumbs up. Comments down below. Bye.